Guys, I can tell you from experience, few things are more frustrating than running out of fast local storage. Cloud uploads can take forever, and older hard drives can leave you waiting just as long. So, is it time for a proper upgrade? I'm Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they're really like before you buy. Today, we're checking out the 4TB Crucial X10 Portable SSD. It's a pocket-sized drive built for large files and fast transfers. We'll see whether its compact design, advertised speed, and rugged construction can actually improve your day-to-day workflow. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's start with what comes in the box and how the setup feels. Alright, my friends, in the box you get the portable SSD itself, a USB cable, and a simple quick start guide. No fuss and no unnecessary extras. The 4TB review unit comes in matte blue, which keeps the design sleek and understated. It feels solid but incredibly light, with a footprint of roughly 65 by 50 mm. Guys, it's a world away from those old brick-shaped external drives. And this makes a big difference when you're traveling light or regularly moving files between locations. Setup is pretty straightforward. You connect the cable, and the drive is basically ready to use. But there is one important detail. Not every port will deliver the X10's top speed. To get the fastest transfers, your device needs to support the same high-speed connection standard as the drive. Otherwise, it will still work, but performance will be lower. The good news is that the USB-C connection works with many devices, including Windows computers, Macs, and compatible Android phones or tablets. And if your Android device supports external storage through an adapter connection, you can move files between your laptop and phone without relying on cloud uploads. At the same time, you may still need to reformat the drive or adjust a few settings for full compatibility. Durability is another practical advantage. The IP65 dust and water resistance provides protection against splashes and sand. The company claims the drive can survive drops from 3 meters onto carpeted floors. Now, mates, let's talk about the high-speed promise and what it actually means for your files. Alright, folks, this is where I really start to like this device. The Crucial X10 advertises sequential read speeds of up to 2,100 megabytes per second. This is twice the performance of the older Crucial X9. But keep in mind that real-world performance depends on the full setup, not just the drive itself. Your USB port, cable, and file type can all affect the result. If your device only supports version 3.0 or an older USB-C standard, the X10 will not get close to that maximum speed. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! So, how much of a difference does a 4TB SSD actually make? Honestly, folks, it makes a big difference for anyone storing massive libraries of uncompressed photos, 4K footage, or motion graphics projects. Basically, for anyone working with large files. Next, Crucial highlights direct from drive editing for 4K video and photo projects. In other words, you can connect the X10 to your laptop and work directly from the SSD instead of transferring everything to local storage. For everyday 4K video trimming or Lightroom work, you will likely notice a major improvement over basic portable drives. But it is not a magic solution for workflows that require steady sustained speeds for hours at a time. No single device can guarantee flawless editing for every user. And if you're considering it for a phone or tablet, here's how that works, my friends. On compatible Android devices or on iPads, the X10 can act as plug-and-play portable storage. That means you can offload large videos, media libraries, or project assets without dealing with cloud sync limits. You may still need to reformat the drive for proper cross-platform sharing. For backups, the X10 can serve as a very fast destination for local file copies, or even as a scratch disk during large work sessions. Now, guys, let's look at the trade-offs. If your devices cannot match the X10's interface, you will miss out on its maximum speed. A 4TB SSD like this also tends to cost more per terabyte than a basic hard drive, so price matters. Overall, the X10's main value is pretty straightforward. It gives you fast, high-capacity storage in a compact and durable form that can travel almost anywhere. So, here's the final takeaway, folks. The Crucial X10 4TB Portable SSD stands out as a compact storage option for anyone who wants a serious increase in local capacity. And you get that without carrying a big bulky hard drive. Its rated read speed is over 2 GB per second, which is more than enough for most people. Add the pocketable design, broad compatibility, and IP65 dust and water resistance, and you get a very strong portable SSD. So if you move or back up large files, the X10 makes a lot of sense. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time!